同学们好，我是 Haynes 老师. Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Haynes, and today I'm going to be talking about my favorite topic, weather, or what we should say is 天气. Now, for part one of my videos, I'm going to be talking about weather phenomena. So these are the types of things that you might experience in weather on a day-to-day basis. Have fun!
今天的天气很热，北京的天气很暖和，香港的秋天很凉快，悉尼的冬天很冷。刮风 means windy. 大刮风 means to be very windy. Now you should write down the compass directions on your sheet.
And this tutorial is about directions. So first off, we're going to look at the different directions that we have on the compass. So we'll start with the main ones. So going from the top, we have 北, which is north. Then over here, we know this is 东, which is east. 南, which is south. And then 西, which is west. Now in China, when we do different types of directions in between the larger directions, you need to remember to actually do it in the opposite way. So in English, if we wanted to say northeast, we'd write it like this. But in China, they actually write it like this. So they put the east and west ones first, okay? So this one would be 东北. So east to north. Then this one 东南, which would be southeast, but it actually says east to south. This one would be 西南, so that's south west. And then up here, 西北, which is northwest. So let's look at each one. So we've got 北, 东, 南, 西, 东北, 东南, 西南.
So let's revise how we can make a sentence using all of these weather phenomena words. So the subject of this sentence is today, which is 今天, the words in green. Then you'll notice the word 天气, which means weather. Now, sometimes you'll see people drop the de that goes in between. The de means that it's like the apostrophe s in English. It's the possession of the subject. So 今天的天气, today's weather. Now, if you drop the de, it still makes sense, but we'll keep it in for now. So 今天的天气, today's weather. Now, I'm going to move on to the red words. These are called adjective intensifiers. Why do you think they might be there? We put them in front of the description of the weather. Obviously, the blank space is going to be some type of adjective. So we put these red words in front. These are just 3 examples though. There are, of course, many more examples. I've given you 挺, which means rather, 很, which is very, and 非常, which is extremely. These are all descriptions of some type of adjective to follow. So you would then need to find out what you want to put in the blank space at the end. Today's weather is very hot. Today's weather is rather cold. Today's weather is extremely windy. You need to make sure that you're putting the right adjective in that space. It's also important to note that in the English sentence, you can see it says today's weather is something something. In Chinese, you don't have to actually say the word is. It is implied. So you do not need to use the word 是 that you may have used as is or am in other sentences. Just use the sentence structure given. So 今天的天气, today's weather, very, extremely, rather, any adjective intensifier you need, and then an adjective like hot, cold, windy, raining, whatever you'd like to use. Good luck. 再见. Make sure you head over to my adjective intensifiers tutorial to find out more about adjectives.